Did you know that small adjustments in your daily routine can make a huge difference in your balance and confidence, helping you move through life more safely and independently? Staying steady on your feet isn't just about avoiding falls, it's about maintaining your independence, your freedom to enjoy the things you love, and feeling confident in your movements every single day. That's why today we're diving into 10 practical balance tips that can help prevent falls, improve your strength, and make your everyday activities safer and more enjoyable. To make this even easier for you, we've created a free PDF guide that gathers all these tips in one place so you can reference them anytime. And if you're looking for support, motivation, or a place to share experiences with others who are on the same journey, we also invite you to join our senior health community, where members exchange insights, encouragement, and ideas for staying active and healthy at every stage of life. Tip number 1 is all about posture. Standing tall and aligning your spine may seem simple, but it's one of the most effective ways to improve balance. When you slouch or lean forward, your center of gravity shifts, making it harder to respond to changes in movement. Mary, a 72-year-old retiree, noticed she often felt unsteady walking to the grocery store because she would slouch over her cart. After practicing standing tall daily, she felt steadier. Her back and neck tension decreased, and even routine tasks became easier. To make posture practice part of your day, try standing near a wall and aligning your head, shoulders, and back, holding this for a few minutes several times a day. Over time, it becomes second nature, and your balance improves without thinking about it. Our second tip is strengthening your legs. Strong leg muscles support every movement you make and help your body recover quickly if you stumble. John, a 68-year-old retiree, started doing chair rises and mini squats every morning. Within weeks, he felt more confident climbing stairs, bending down, and even playing with his grandchildren without wobbling. You don't need a gym, just your body weight and consistency. Start small, with a few repetitions each day, and gradually increase as you get stronger. Walking, gardening, or step-ups are excellent ways to naturally engage your leg muscles while strengthening your balance. Tip 3 is all about core strength. Your core, your abdominal, and lower back muscles acts as the foundation for balance. When your core is weak, even small shifts in weight can throw you off. Evelyn, a 75-year-old avid reader, incorporated seated abdominal twists and gentle planks into her daily routine. She noticed that she could reach for items on high shelves or bend down to tie her shoes without feeling off balance. You can start with seated exercises or simple standing twists at home, focusing on gentle, controlled movements. Over time, a stronger core gives you the stability to move confidently and safely throughout the day. Fourth, let's talk about foot health. The way your feet interact with the ground directly affects your balance. Wearing shoes with proper support and ensuring your feet are strong and flexible can make a huge difference. Robert, an 80-year-old gardener, switched to supportive, non-slip shoes and began stretching his feet each morning. He found walking on uneven surfaces like gravel paths or grassy lawns much easier. You can perform simple foot stretches, pick up marbles with your toes, or even walk barefoot on safe, soft surfaces to strengthen foot muscles. Proper footwear combined with foot exercises helps your entire body stay steady and prevents slips. Tip number 5 is using visual cues. Your eyes give your brain essential information about your surroundings, helping you maintain balance. When walking in a cluttered space, you might stumble simply because your eyes didn't signal obstacles in time. Linda, a 70-year-old painter, began consciously scanning her environment before stepping forward. She noticed fewer stumbles and felt more secure walking through crowded or dimly lit rooms. Try keeping pathways clear, ensuring good lighting, and using visual cues to anticipate obstacles. By training your eyes to work in harmony with your body, you enhance balance naturally. Sixth, consider slow and mindful movements. Rushing or multitasking while moving increases the risk of losing balance. Frank, a 76-year-old chess enthusiast, used to hurry through his kitchen in the morning, often catching himself on counters. Once he slowed down, took deliberate steps, and focused on his movements, he noticed a huge improvement in stability. Mindful walking or gentle movement practice, even during daily tasks, encourages your body to coordinate muscles better and respond to shifts in balance quickly. Tip 7 is practicing gentle balance exercises regularly. Simple exercises like standing on one foot, heel-to-toe walking, or side leg lifts can be done at home and provide significant benefits. Helen, a 74-year-old retired teacher, dedicated 10 minutes each morning to these exercises and found that she could navigate stairs and curbs more confidently. Start near a wall or sturdy surface for support, then gradually challenge yourself. Regular practice strengthens muscles and improves the nervous system's response to changes in position, keeping you steady in daily life. 8th, make use of supportive devices when necessary. Canes, walkers, or handrails aren't signs of weakness. They're tools that keep you safe while building confidence. George, a 79-year-old pianist, initially resisted using a cane, but found that it allowed him to walk longer distances safely. Once he felt secure, he could gradually reduce reliance on it while still benefiting from improved balance. Always choose devices that fit properly and are comfortable. Using them wisely can help you stay active and independent. Tip 9 is staying hydrated and maintaining proper nutrition. Dehydration or low blood sugar can cause dizziness and imbalance. Margaret, a 71-year-old marathon walker, makes it a habit to drink water regularly and snack on nutrient-rich foods. She finds that her energy remains steady and she feels more balanced during her daily walks. Incorporating hydrating foods, balanced meals, and snacks with protein and healthy fats helps keep your body and brain functioning optimally, which directly affects balance and coordination. Finally, tip 10 is staying socially active and mentally engaged. While it may not seem related, your brain plays a huge role in balance. Cognitive decline can impair coordination and reaction time. Samuel, a 77-year-old chess player, noticed that attending social clubs and participating in games improved his alertness and reflexes. Combining physical movement with mental activity, such as dancing, tai chi, or interactive games, strengthens the brain-body connection and supports balance. As we wrap up, remember that all 10 of these tips are available in a single, convenient PDF that you can download and keep on hand. Joining the senior health community provides support, accountability, and connection with others who are working to improve their balance and overall wellness. And for more insights, articles, and tips, be sure to visit our blog, where we cover a wide range of health topics for seniors. By integrating these balanced tips into your daily routine, you're taking meaningful steps towards safer, more confident, and independent living. Start today and celebrate every small victory as you move toward a steadier, healthier you.